Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to our video. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Husniati Mafudo and my friend is
Ayustin.
We are from Komarudin University for English Education. Today, we will review an interesting film entitled Barbie the Movie 2023.
Don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell.
So, without further ado, let's get straight in the discussion of the Barbie the Movie 2023. Check it out!
The first Barbie starring actor Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling is a live-action adaptation that will be released by Warner Bros.
In July 2023, directed and written by Greta Gerwig and Noah Baumbach, the film followed the wonderful life of Barbie, Ken, and Alan on the island of Barbieland. Barbie played by Margot Robbie. Each of the Barbies depicted has different role. Barbie has one character who lives as a stereotypical Barbie doll that many people know, such as a doll dressed pink with high legs, blonde hair, and thin body.
Barbie also has her own profession, such as president, scientist, doctor, informant, and many others.
Barbie, played by actress Margot Robbie, throws a festive party at the Dream House. While they were dancing together in the middle of the dance floor, Barbie suddenly remembered that the next day, Barbie suddenly experienced some strange things that she had never experienced, starting from the appearance of cellulite light on the things, bad breath, and not being able to fly, and also Barbie flat feet. Then she immediately met Ward, Barbie, who had previously experienced a malfunction and then turned Ward. His hair was messy, his face was full of streaks, and his legs were always in split position. Then the Ward Barbie finally explained that Barbie had to go to the real world to meet the human owner. Every Barbie doll in a Barbie land has a direct relationship with its owner, namely humans.
Barbie then goes on a long journey to get to the real world. Not alone can takes it upon herself to sneak into Barbie, comfortable in join her on her journey to the real world.
Arriving in the real world, Barbie feels uncomfortable. Barbie seems to be an object where all men's eyes are focused on her, and also in the real world, Barbie is fascinated by the ideas of life, humanity, and growing order. Meanwhile, Ken, who begins to realize that life in the real world is inversely proportional to Barbie land.
Finally, she finds Sasha, Ariana Grande, a girl so breakfast is playing a trick on him. She is disturbed when she finds out that Sasha and her friends don't worship Barbie. They hate her because of all the plastic and unrealistic expectations she set for women. After that, Barbie cheered and destroyed.
It's happening again. They never listen.
In the real world, meanwhile, Ken was amazed to see people seem to appreciate his existence. He is surprised to see men riding horse, and Ken also discovered that every American president so far has been a man, a stark contrast to Barbie land, and finally Ken returned to Barbie land.
So what can I do? Weird.
When Barbie cries and despair, Barbie is taken to Mattel headquarters, where she meets the CEO of Mattel. But after Barbie get there, Barbie sense something fishy. Barbie runs away before the CEO can put her in a box, running through the Mattel building.
When Gloria saw Barbie run away with together Sasha, she decided to help Barbie escape Metal. And Barbie finally found out that Sasha is not the one playing it, but Sasha is more than Gloria.
Mom, where did you learn to drive like this?
There was this guy.
His dad?
Yeah, it was Dad.
And the Barbie decide to take Gloria and Sasha to Barbie Land. She is determined to show Sasha that Barbie is good for women, but she girls are shocked by what happened in Barbie Land, a town known as Kingdom. Ken, armed with his newfound knowledge of patriarchy, has gathered the other Ken to take over Barbie Land. Ken family has brainwashed the other Barbie into submission, stolen her big dream, and turned it into Ken Mojo Dojo Casa house.
Although Barbie felt a little comfortable at first, the breaking point was when her house was now owned by Ken and renamed as Mojo Dojo Guest House. She tries to convince Ken to change his house back, but her firmly denies it because Ken don't make him in the order Ken feel happy and respect Then Barbie becomes the bracelet and starts throwing plaques on the floor.
Barbie despair and give up. Ken's friend Alan was the first to convince Gloria and Sasha that they needed to save Barbie world from the Kens. After a rousing speech from Gloria that get Barbie interested again, they have a plan. Barbie's stereotypes find a way to free Barbie from Ken brainwashing and turn Ken against each other. They jolt the other Barbies out of their docile state. Then they use the feminine wiles to distract Ken family. And then Ken and the other Ken fight and Barbie regains power before Ken can change the constitution. Then Kingdom switch to Barbie Land. In the final scene of the movie, Barbie finds her identity and decides to become a human in the real world, now named Barbara Handler. After Barbie became human, she feels happy in real world.
And what are you here for today, Barbara?
I'm here to see my gynecologist.
Well, that's our review Barbie. What a journey through the unique world of Barbie Land, from the dream house to the real world. This film made us laugh, cry, and ponder deep questions about life.
And also subscribe to our channel for movie review and other interesting content.
Thank you very much for joining us today. See you next time. Keep watching, keep dreaming, and never stop exploring the wonder of cinema. So, Sniati Mafudo and my friend
Ayustin.
say goodbye and see you again. Thank you.